Welcome back. Today, I'm revealing the most powerful, completely free tools hackers use to break into Android phones. We're talking about full control, messages, photos, everything. I'll break down how these tools work, step by step, so you can protect yourself. This is for educational purposes only. Don't use these tools illegally. Our goal: make you smarter and safer online by understanding how hackers operate. Ready to see how easy it is for someone to take over an Android phone? Let's dive into the 7 most legendary hacking tools. Watch until the end. The last tool is something you use every day without realizing its power. First up, let's talk about the king of hacking operating systems, Kali Linux. If you've ever wondered what the pros use, this is it. Think of Kali as a massive, all-in-one toolbox, loaded with hundreds of powerful hacking tools, all completely free and open source. It's like having every digital lockpick you could ever need, right at your fingertips. Kali Linux is purpose-built for penetration testing, finding, analyzing, and exploiting weaknesses in computer systems, networks, and even Android phones. It's trusted by cybersecurity experts and ethical hackers worldwide. It's truly the Swiss Army knife of cybersecurity, letting hackers crack passwords, set up fake Wi-Fi hotspots, and launch sophisticated attacks on mobile devices, all from a single platform. Imagine a hacker sitting in a coffee shop. They boot up Kali, scan the local network, and instantly see every connected Android phone, tablet, or laptop in the area. With just a few clicks, they can craft targeted attacks or even create malicious apps designed to compromise your device, all without breaking a sweat. The sheer power and accessibility of Kali Linux make it both an incredible learning tool for students and a real threat in the hands of cybercriminals. Anyone can download it. There are no barriers, no cost, and no special requirements. It's available to anyone with an internet connection. For hackers, Kali is the ultimate command center, a digital headquarters where every attack, scan, and exploit begins. They use it to gather intelligence, build custom attacks, and launch them, all seamlessly, in one place, with professional-grade precision. It's the foundation for almost every hack we'll cover today, the backbone of modern digital attacks and defenses. Without Kali Linux, hacking would be much harder, slower, and far less effective. It's the platform that unites all the other tools, making complex cyber operations possible for anyone willing to learn. If Kali Linux is the ultimate toolbox for hackers and cybersecurity professionals, then Metasploit is the most powerful tool inside that box, the one that truly unlocks the potential of the entire kit. Metasploit is a massive, ever-growing library of exploits, specialized code designed to take advantage of software bugs and vulnerabilities, allowing hackers to break into systems with precision. What makes Metasploit so revolutionary is its ability to automate attacks, transforming complex hacks into simple, repeatable steps, even for those just starting out. The process is straightforward. Hackers search for a vulnerability, select the right exploit, and pair it with a payload, the code that executes once access is gained. Payloads can be incredibly powerful. They might grant full remote control, letting an attacker access files, secretly turn on the microphone or camera to spy on you, read your private texts, steal sensitive data, and much more, all without the victim realizing it. For example, a hacker could send a seemingly harmless PDF. The moment you open it, your phone could be compromised, and you'd have no idea anything happened. Metasploit is constantly updated with the latest exploits, keeping pace with new vulnerabilities as soon as they're discovered, making it a go-to weapon for hackers worldwide. Its modular design and user-friendly interface mean anyone can pick it up and start experimenting, and it's always evolving to stay ahead of security defenses. Hackers can even target specific Android versions or apps, sometimes within hours of a new vulnerability being announced, making mobile devices especially vulnerable. Imagine just visiting a website. If it's been set up with Metasploit, your phone could be taken over instantly without you clicking anything else. Kali provides the perfect environment, while Metasploit delivers the firepower to launch real attacks. With just a few commands, vulnerabilities are turned into real-world attacks, demonstrating the true risks in today's digital world. Even amateurs with little experience can pull off sophisticated hacks thanks to Metasploit's intuitive design and powerful features. It's a true game-changer in the world of cybersecurity, shifting the balance between attackers and defenders. That's why Metasploit is both feared and respected by security experts everywhere, a tool that demands attention and caution. Now for something truly creepy, AndroRat, a remote access Trojan, or RAT for short. This isn't just another piece of malware, it's a tool that can turn your phone into a puppet, controlled by someone else from anywhere in the world. Unlike viruses that just cause chaos, this tool isn't about finding vulnerabilities, it's about total control after a hacker gets in. Once inside, the hacker can do almost anything they want with your device. AndroRat is an app that, once installed, secretly connects your phone to a hacker's remote server, often without you ever noticing a thing. The hacker gets a simple, user-friendly interface to access your contacts, messages, location, microphone, and even your camera, all without you knowing. Your private life is suddenly an open book. Hackers often hide AndroRat inside legitimate-looking apps, a process called Trojanizing. This means the app looks and works like any normal app, but it's carrying a dangerous secret. Download a fake flashlight or game, grant it permissions you don't think twice about, and you're compromised. It can happen in seconds with just a tap. The app works as expected, but in the background, it's quietly giving the hacker full access to your device, your data, and your privacy. AndroRat is open source and easy to set up, making it popular with even amateur hackers. Anyone with basic skills can get started, which makes it even more dangerous. It's not just about stealing data, it's about turning your phone into a surveillance device. Hackers can watch, listen, and track you in real time, all without your knowledge. This is why you should never download apps from untrusted sources or third-party app stores. The risk just isn't worth it. Always check app permissions. Does a calculator really need your mic or camera? If something feels off, trust your instincts and don't install. AndroRat is a stark reminder of how easily privacy can be lost in the digital age. One wrong move, and your personal world is exposed. Stay vigilant about what you install. Take a moment to read reviews, check permissions, and think before you tap. One careless download is all it takes to hand over control of your phone and your privacy to a stranger. What if the hacking tool was an app on a phone? That's Zanti. Zanti turns any Android device into a powerful hacking machine, no computer needed. Originally for security testing, it's now used by hackers to scan and attack networks from their phones. Connect to public Wi-Fi, and Zanti maps every device on the network. Phones, laptops, everything. It highlights vulnerable devices and offers a menu of attacks, man-in-the-middle, password stealing, session hijacking, and more. Hackers can intercept your web traffic, steal logins, and even redirect you to fake sites. The interface is so simple, anyone can use it. Just tap and attack. Zanti shows why public Wi-Fi is so risky. Anyone with this app can spy on your online activity. Always use a VPN on public networks to encrypt your traffic. Only connect to trusted Wi-Fi and avoid sensitive tasks on public hotspots. Zanti makes hacking mobile and easy, so your defenses need to be strong. Don't let your data be an easy target. Next is DroidJack, a commercial-grade spyware tool for Android. Like AndroRat, it gives hackers full remote access, but with a polished, user-friendly interface. Hackers can bind DroidJack to any app, even Facebook, so victims install it without suspecting a thing. Once active, DroidJack lets attackers browse files, read texts, view contacts, and even send messages from your phone. It can live stream your mic and camera, track your location, and log every keystroke, including passwords. DroidJack is designed to hide itself, making removal nearly impossible without a factory reset. Its leaked source code means countless versions are now in the wild. Originally sold as a legitimate product, it's now a favorite for cybercriminals. DroidJack turns your phone into a 24/7 surveillance device. It's a chilling example of how commercial spyware can be abused. Always update your phone and avoid unofficial app sources. Your privacy depends on it. Now let's talk reconnaissance, Nmap, the legendary network mapper. Before attacking, hackers use Nmap to scan networks and find devices, including Android phones. Nmap reveals your phone's IP, open ports, and running services, potential entry points for attacks. Open ports are like unlocked doors. Nmap helps hackers find and test them. Advanced scans can identify your Android version, revealing known vulnerabilities. Nmap's scripting engine can even check for weak passwords and misconfigurations. For example, if your phone's file sharing is open, Nmap can expose it to attackers. While Nmap doesn't hack directly, it provides the intelligence needed for targeted attacks. Both hackers and security pros use it, one to attack, the other to defend. Smart hackers never attack blind, they map the target first. Nmap is the first step in turning a random phone into a vulnerable target. Regularly update your device and disable unnecessary services to stay safe. Don't make your phone an easy mark. Finally, Wireshark, the ultimate network analyzer. If Nmap maps the house, Wireshark listens to every conversation inside. It captures all data packets on a network, showing exactly what's being sent and received. On public Wi-Fi, a hacker can use Wireshark to see your unencrypted web traffic, sites visited, emails, even passwords. Even with encryption, Wireshark reveals which services you use and how much data you send. Combined with other attacks, it can steal authentication cookies and hijack sessions. Wireshark is a vital tool for network admins, but in the wrong hands, it's a powerful spyglass. Anything sent unencrypted on public Wi-Fi is fair game. Always use HTTPS and a VPN to protect your data. Wireshark makes eavesdropping easy. Don't let your info be exposed. Treat public networks as hostile territory. Encrypt everything, every time. That's 7 of the most powerful free tools hackers use against Android phones. Understanding these attacks is your best defense. Knowledge is power. Always use a VPN on public Wi-Fi. Download apps only from Google Play, check permissions, and keep your phone updated. These simple steps block most attacks we covered today. Stay smart, stay safe, and help others by sharing your best security tips in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.